A bad attitude is like a flat tire. What happens if you drive a car with a flat tire? You won't go very far, you damage the car, and eventually you will stop completely. Now, in the same way, a bad attitude will stop your spiritual progress. Just as a car cannot move forward with a flat tire, we as Christians cannot move forward spiritually with a bad attitude. Philippians 2 verse 14 says, "Do all things without murmurings and disputings." Now you might hear from God, but because you don't like what you hear, you complain about it. God may give you an instruction, but because that instruction doesn't fit into your plans, you don't do it and then you dispute it. Now thankfully, just as you have tools to change the flat tire on your car, you have tools to change your bad attitude. Start by admitting and repenting, replacing pride with humility, and replacing complaining with gratitude. But here's the key. Only you can change your bad attitude, no one else. I encourage you to make that decision today.